Hi, I'm Madam Eileen. I'm going to be doing an Easter cross for all you Christians. I believe in Jesus Christ too. This is going to be a hat. So we're going to do some pinch twists in a group, in a cluster, isolating a bubble, trapping it in the middle, and spinning. I have an essentials of balloon twisting video talking all about pinch twists. So you want 3 there. We want to do a little spacer bubble, and then we're going to want to do 2 pinch twists, and then a spacer bubble. Now, spacer bubble is only 1/2 inch big. It just creates a space between sections of loops or pinch twists. You see this? Perfect right there. And now we're going to do 3 pinch twists here. That's the groundwork. The rest of this we can break off long, but right now I'm just going to keep it intact so it doesn't interfere with the attachments I'm going to be doing up here. I'm going to get a 160 brown now. I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to twist off a small bubble, and then I'm going to do 2 pinch twists. I'm going to do that by doing 2 bubbles of equal size, putting them together, twisting them around 2 or 3 times, and now I'm going to pinch it to put my finger on the top and the bottom of those 2 bubbles, pinch them down, and pull this balloon up and start rolling it around. I'm rotating and rolling around. Now we have 1. We're going to come down just a little bit, that much. Do 2 pinch twists. This one you want to do them individually because there's going to be some movement around them. Now we're going to go out just a little bit. So think of the cross. Here's the top of the cross. Here's the side of the cross. We're going to do that fancy double pinch twist by doing 2 equal bubbles, twisting them around, pushing them together while pulling this balloon up and through, and then wrapping it around. Do a spacer bubble. Do 2 more bubbles of the same size. Put them together, twist them around, push and pinch them together, and pull this up and down and around 2 times. We're going to go back to the center of our cross. And now we're going to take scissors and we're going to pop the spacer bubble. Yes, I closed my eyes on that. Nobody likes to hear balloons pop. And there's a little cross. Figure out how high you want that. Isolate that. Go to your middle 2 pinch twists here and wrap this around. That's the first cross. And now we're going to take another 160 brown. more twists you put in something, the more air you're going to use. I'm going to do 2 smaller crosses. These are going to be more simple. I'm going to go down about 3 fingers, do 2 pinch twists, measure how far down I want to go, and I'm going to break it down a bit further. I'm going to catch and tie the ends. I'm going to use this. I'm going to tie this corner. We're going to get another 160 brown. We're going to do the same thing. But see this little part here? We want to twist off about 2.5 fingers, maybe 3. Wrap it around for a small, simpler cross. And you want to trim the nozzles and the long ends of the balloon off. Before I put this on the hat, I'm going to make my second cross. It's easier to get measurements more accurate before you attach it to another structure. Measure. Two pinch twists, but you want to do them individually. Now I measure my length down. Tie off each section. I'm going ahead and cut off the top here. Measure and compare. Yes, I have this right. Push this on. Wrap it around. My Balloon Essentials video talks more in depth on how to attach balloons to each other. They're standing too close together. You see my problem here? So this is where I'm going to teach you a cheat, but not that much cheat. You can get glue dots or UGlue dashes, and we can glue the balloons in place. Now, if you use UGlue dashes, it's very important that you rub and warm up the adhesive. If there's a lot of pressure on these balloons, they're going to pull off if it's not properly adhesed. Also, I'm going to save some money and cut this dash in half. And I'm going to pull off half of a dash. I'm going to put it right where this arm of the cross touches the main cross. I'm going to pull the sticker off and push and hold. 26 seconds is good. got the alphabet. So that's one way. And now to get the other dash, put that on this arm of the cross. Let your warmth of your skin warm up the dash. Pull that off. And push this here. Now we can take the tail. Cut off the excess. Oh, it just occurred to me, I could use that excess to put it on the hairband. Now, we could take this and go all the way across, and you have a bracelet. Or, you want a hat or crown. You then take your hairband and you can wrap it around the hairband like that, and then around the pinch twist on the other side. You can wrap it around until you pull and let go, and it's decent. And then it's just a matter of adjusting the pinch twist so they are on the hairband and not your hair. So there you go. Easter crosses. Happy Easter, everybody.